Hey friends, I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to talk to y'all again today. As y'all can see, I did my hair. Before we get started, I've been being real self-sufficient, you guys. Like, I used to get my hair done every 2 weeks, but I'm learning how to do my own hair because what did I tell y'all we doing? We elevating, we saving, we investing. So I'm gonna take that money that I'm saving from getting my hair done every 2 weeks and invest it in some stock, and my hair is still looking good. So anyways, if y'all want to see the products that I've been using on my hair and on my skin, I picked them in my Amazon store, so click the link in the description and you can check it out. But before we dive into today's video, I wanted to let y'all know about the community that I just started. So I'm excited about this community because I get to talk to y'all on Zoom once a week. You get free courses, you get free downloads, free ways to make money. I'm just so happy about this community because it's really about having people come together that's trying to elevate their life. And who doesn't want to elevate? God said that we are supposed to have life and have it more abundantly. So I'm excited to elevate. We're elevating our mind, our body, soul, spirit, finances. We're elevating ways to work smarter, not harder, and invest our money and have our money work for us. So one of the things we talk about in there are AI tools to help make your life easier and to help grow your business and make your business run smoother, optimize your business. So if you haven't checked out those videos, check out my videos talking about other AI tools. But I'm excited to get started and let y'all know that the link is in the description for you to join the community. It's right now. It's free for 7 days, so you can actually go in there, check it out. There's vendor list as well. So if you want to start a business and need a vendor list, you guys, this list is amazing. So check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. We're going to be talking about how to grow your marketing with a zero budget using ChatGPT. Okay, and one of the biggest challenges I hear from new business owners is, how do I market my business when I have no money? Put all your funds into your product, into your service, and there's little left for a marketing budget. Trust me, I've been there so many times. It can feel like it's impossible when you poured so much into your craft and now you don't have a huge budget to grow. You just need to be smart. You need to work smarter, not harder. And today I'm going to show you how to use free AI tools to build a powerful marketing strategy from the ground up, all without spending a single dollar. Let's go. Let's get into it. I'm excited. Step 1, we're going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the OG, and we're going to use chat for content brainstorming. Content. But how do you come up with endless ideas? This is where ChatGPT comes in. Open it up and use it as your personal brainstorm. I'll show you the exact prompts I use to generate months of content ideas in under 10 minutes. For example, you can ask chat to generate 20 business ideas for you. You can ask chat to generate 20 blog posts for you and just tell it what you want to talk about, okay?
So here is the prompt, you guys. I say, hello chat, I need you to act like my social media manager. And I need you to help me come up with ideas for my AI agency for an entire month. But of course, put your business in there. So if you need help coming up with ideas for your store, on whatever type of business you have. As you can see, chat is super fast. They already have given me a 30-day content map out. They broke it down by the framework, which is important. You don't want to have all educational posts, all engaging. You want to have a great mix. And then it also broke it down as to what I need to post every single day. This is as easy as it's going to get, you guys. This is amazing. It broke down week 1, week 2, week 3, And it really broke down for you what you need to do, what you need to talk about. And I really like this because even if you are a person who wants to get out there and make content, chat will help you get started. And I'm a type of person, why not make it easy? Go ahead, yes, chat, write me out the actual captions and the call to action with the hashtags. Like, let it do majority of the heavy lifting while you make the content. So as you can see, chat is super fast again. It wrote out the captions for these videos as well. And of course, you all, this is just the framework. If you want to switch up things, make it sound more like you, of course, do that. This is just to get the framework, help you map out what you need to actually record, what's going to help you build your audience and build it fast and in a great, authentic way. And remember, the more you train your ChatGPT, the more it will sound like you and give you the information that you need. So make sure you train it.
And then the next thing is you need to have chat write you out a content calendar. You can use ChatGPT to help create a detailed content calendar. I'll show you how to map out your week's worth of content for social media, including captions, hashtags, and a call to action. This saves you so much time and ensures you're constantly putting out valuable content that's going to turn your followers into dollars.
Okay, so here we are back in ChatGPT. I'm going to go back to where we were working and say I like a full content calendar. And chat is going to have your information that you already talked about, and then it's going to make you a content calendar. And of course, I like to make it easy and get a PDF where I can just copy and paste. And that's exactly what I did. This is super easy. This is amazing, fast. I now have a PDF document with 30 days worth of content with the caption, hashtags, and everything.
Next, you're going to have chat write killer emails, okay? Because without emailing people or texting people after they give you their phone number or email, sometimes the deal goes dead. So you need to use chat to write out detailed emails that's going to really convert your clients into buyers. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write compelling, persuasive emails that grabs attention. I'll provide you with a few prompts you can copy and paste to get high quality text for your business.
So we are back inside that same prompt, and we're going to tell chat, I need you to write me a high quality, high converting email. Actually, emails for the week that I want to send out to potential clients. And chat is going to do just that fast. Here you have it. And like I said, this is just the framework. So it crafted me 5 emails for an email sequence, which is great. It has the subject line, the body, the call to action. It also talks about the sequence structure. And all you business owners, I'm sure you know about this, but you want to have high converting emails, not just emails that people are going to receive and just push it to their junk. So this is super fun. It has an introduction, hook, and of course, before you send these emails out, make sure you read through them, add your personal touch, add your branding, add your logo, add photos, whatever you need to do to make your brand stand out. This is just the framework, but this is so much heavy lifting, so much money you can save. I know I used to hire someone to write my emails. Chat can really help save your business and optimize your business in so many ways. And y'all know I had to go ahead and get the PDF. So I'm downloading the PDF for my emails, and all I have to do now is copy and paste. Super easy, you guys.
There's so many different strategies you can use. You can stop using chat to be your friend. It's time to ask chat to help be your business partner. If you can't afford an assistant, a business partner. You have all these free tools now. And there you have it, a complete marketing strategy that costs you nothing. And if you need more tools and tricks on how to grow your business using AI, click the link in the description where I'll give you free prompts to help grow your business. I really hope this helped y'all. Thank you for joining me today.